There are only four types of insurances you're going to need in order to be a fully protected fire alarm company. And inside the insurance strategist, we're going to break down the policies you need to be fully protected. So some of the protection you're going to need is general liability protection. This is going to protect you as the owner, the assets of the business, and also the location where the business is located. The second thing is you want to have auto to non-hired insurance. You're going to have trucks on the road, or you may be hiring subcontractors that's going to be using their own vehicles to go from job site to job site. This protects you and them during the hours that they're working for you. And the third one is umbrella or excess. This is actually additional coverage to help what the general liability will not cover. The general liability usually minimum is $2 million. So if someone is suing you for more than $2 million, that's where the umbrella or excess insurance will come in to help out with the policy. My name is Anthony Richardson. I started out with a company called Fire Quench over 25 years ago. Since then, I've been certified on systems like Simplex, Edwards, Software House, Kitty, and that's two, just to name a few. And in 2017, we started Security Securities Corp. Fast forward, we've done over $5 million installing fire alarm and security systems throughout the government sector, private, and also the commercial sectors. I'm here to show you that hard work and dedication can truly pay off. So stick with me throughout the fire alarm business blueprint so we can show you how you could actually achieve the life of freedom that you're actually looking for. So some of the common struggles that most entrepreneurs face, especially when they're trying to search for the type of insurance that they need for a fire alarm company, is definitely feeling confused about the types of insurances that they need. They don't know what type of insurances they need in order to be fully protected. And the second thing is they don't know how much it costs. They're not understanding that insurance is actually based on your payroll salary. So depending on how large or small your payroll salary is will depend on how much you're going to pay in your insurance premiums. And you also don't know how much insurance do you actually need. Do I need the minimum insurance? Do I need to have 5 million, 10 million? We give you the guide on letting you know how much insurance you need for whatever type of application you're working on. So I want you to download the one-page insurance strategist cheat sheet. This will give you the information on the types of insurances you need to be a fully protected fire alarm company. So this is just step 3 inside of the fire alarm business blueprint. This is a non-step course that's going to teach you how to start, grow, and operate an actual fire alarm company coming from an actual licensed fire alarm contractor. So if you're ready to learn how to get protected, click the link below, book a strategy call. In just 30 minutes, we'll figure out where you at, how we can help you, and see if you're a good fit for the insurance strategist. I'll catch you on the other side.